Hello viewers, today the body. We are here and this is wonderful. Puff like a cat. And now we go with the instructions and on. So first we have to work on this, that is the undershell of the frame. This was a novelty in the middle 90s, perhaps begin 90s, I don't remember well. Everything started from Associated, I think, that had the frame like this, after the other made. And this is a very good protection and helps a lot. But before this, comment, like and subscribe or not, as you want. Okay, these are all the pieces of the plastic. Remember, put them in a box or don't throw in our oceans. And they are very useful to do little parts, scratch build. Now, my drill, despite my work, is going to leave me. It becomes very hot, makes terrible sound. Well, I can try to fix another, but I fixed this and it breaks here. I fixed here, breaks. When something is old, it's old. Very good surface for so many years, more than 35 years. Can you imagine? And I use it quite every day. So I buy a new one, but always this one. Okay, the undershell is made, and now I have to wash it with water and kitchen soap, the soap for dishes. I think it's quite enough. Somebody scrapes the surface, but I think it's unuseful because this kind of paint melts a little bit the plastic, so you don't need to scrape it. Wash, dry, paint, 2 layers, then white, then perhaps black, because nice to have the car inside in black. Let's see, before do this, I return with a perfect underbody shell. Wash it, ready for spray. First layer, very, very transparent. Let dry, another one. Dry, second. Just a little bit more, but it's fantastic. Transparent, still transparent, but from outside you see quite nothing. Dry, and now I try with white. Dry, and then on the car. Wonderful, super nice. Now, wonderful. Now, this. Perfect. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. I will put the battery from this side. So here I put and here one shot, the stopped one, and the other one removable in order to mount the battery in this way. Come on, yes, okay, and then close all the hole inside somewhere here. Now this I will attach to this with a little piece of cord something. Yes, and here we are. Next work, this I made. I don't use this as this battery is quite thick, and with this under this, the battery stays perfectly inside, has no play. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the wing, and for the wing, lovely color, fantastic, I love, and black inside is wonderful. Okay, a quick wash, then spray. And this time I will spray in yes, green, white and green. So I have green also on the rear part, but I have to understand where it is masked. I have to spray it from this part. Green, white, and the last one green. Let's spray green, then see. 2 layers, it will be a little bit transparent, but the wing transparent could be nice. First dry, quite matte, not shining. Okay, another one. Looks nice, shining, but when it will dry, I think that will become matte. I painted with a transparent, gloss transparent, because it was very matte. Now we peel off this, and this is fantastic. Wow, this is one of the best moments in model making. This wing is fantastic. We can mount on the car. Before mounting the wing, this wonderful wing, I have to cut some stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, the side one, and that's all. I don't want to show you me while cutting all the pieces, and so this is the first one. This one. As I already showed you several times, but I want to repeat, I lift a little piece, cut this, then I can carry it to the car, mount in position, then lift this way, and this will be perfect. Up to the end of this work. Done. I found these colors perfectly. Good choice. Fantastic. Now we can mount the wing on the car. By now in this position, then I can adjust. Okay. Okay. Now this. Okay, 1 and 2. All right, I love it so much. look at this. Adjusting this screw, undo and tight, you can adjust the position of the wing, and with this you can lift and lower. Well, my dear friends, for today I think that we are arrived. Next work, not so short, the body. Cut, wash, paint, and maybe mask, cut this one, something nice, this cut, like the Porsche 956. You remember? If you don't, go to the channel, look at the videos, and you will find a great work. Bye now. Thank you very much for watching. Don't comment, don't like, don't subscribe, because I don't want to get too much money from YouTube. That pays a lot. And up to the next work. Stay well.